Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change video format in CapCut Special for PC. So after you finish editing the video, for example, so when you export the project, like export the top right corner, and you can find format option right here. Just select it, and there's two options that MOV and MP4 format. So just select this one according to your need. For example, just click MP4, and you can also change for the option right here for the title, place of your project, and just click export. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.